Okay, I'm the guy, the one who's been talked a lot about, the guy who has got a crush on two girls on the SRC. So I've come to see one of the girls and I found the perfect girl I was looking for. It's you, and it's always been you.
Sorry, like I've never met you. Like like I've never seen you around. Like who are you? Like I thought you were. Oh my god, I don't know you.
I think he have already introduced to you, and I'm very, very surprised to hear you say that you don't know me now. What's the problem?
I don't know what to say. Like I don't know you. I thought you were gonna be someone else.
Okay, you thought you would be someone else. But did the guy show you my pictures before? He didn't. Then the guy didn't do his guy. We have to start over again. Thank you very much. Okay, it's been good to see you. It's like I'm now happy that you know that I'm the guy who's he's been talking to, although he didn't show you my pictures, but I'm the guy. Okay. So from now onwards, I want you to think about the matter to see if you can accept the offer I'm giving you. Yeah, I know you can. Today you can say no because you have something else that is in your mind or something. You've met me the first time. First impression is not always the best, you see. So I want you to think over the issue.
There's no issue. No. It's. I'm so sorry. Like I thought it was someone else. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Like no. No.
Okay. Anyway, it's good. Okay. Then, but I have not given up. I will find ways to make you like me because I can't give up now when I've got all the love.
No, but you said there's two other girls. Why don't you go to the two other girls?
No, the other girls I thought they were you.
They look like me.
Yeah, they look like you. So you're the one I'm looking for. So I want you to think over the matter.
No. I think you should go for the other girls. I really like which. Yeah. What's their names? I probably know them.
The other girls, I don't know them now. But the one I know was Thank You.
You don't know them.
You are Thank You.
Yeah, no. But you know what? I think the other girls are perfect for you, not me. You see. I think the other girls are good for you. So pursue them.
Okay, it's cool.
Let me just cut you right now. I thought you were someone else. To be quite honest, if I knew it was you, I probably wouldn't have agreed to be here. You know what I'm saying? So let's just be brief and frank. Like it's a no. I thought it was someone else. So that's the only reason I'm here.
Okay.
So thank you so much though, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so it's just one of those things, It's like
okay. That's the matter. But do you know that I can transform your life if you just say yes, I can transform your life. I can take you places where you've never been.
Where can you take me, babe? Just between me and you.
Take you places.
Where?
No, you don't have to ask where, because there are some places which I know myself, which if I take even any girl, they say just wow, my name, I never knew that's the kind of a guy. Do you wanna?
Babe, when I look at you, I don't I'm not trying to be forward or whatever, but you don't look like you take me to Dubai. I'm just putting it out there. You see these males, you wouldn't afford me type of thing, you know what I'm saying? So I thought it was someone else, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. But I thought it was someone else, and then I agreed, but I didn't know. That's what I'm saying, it's okay. Let's just part ways now. It's been nice, type thing.
Okay. But you see, you are talking of nails. Nails, they are just the money.
Did she say you can take me anyway?
The money you spend on nails, I can just spend it on just my haircut. It's just it's just nothing.
It's nothing.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Also, you're a blazer.
No, I'm not a blazer. But I'm just saying, with what I have, the money you spend on nails, I can just spend it just on my haircut
Oh,
only.
yeah. Oh wow.
So don't worry about money. Money is not a problem.
Okay.
Money is not a problem.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Like I said, thank you so much for the offer, but like for some other girl, you know, like you look to me like you can get any girl, you know, just not me, just like any other girl though, not me though.
Okay,
So,
can you tell me just 3 solid reasons why I cannot take you out?
No, like I just no, because I thought it was someone else. Like I wouldn't have agreed to come here. You know what I'm saying? Like I thought it was someone else, but now seeing you, I'm like, thank you. Like I
Is
just
it
want
about
to.
my image or you know me from somewhere?
No, I've never. That's the thing. I don't even know you. I've never seen you before, so I'm so surprised you have a question on me when I've never even seen you before. You know?
Because you're saying I thought it was somebody else. Now it's what's wrong about me? What makes you say I thought it's somebody else?
No, you're perfect. Just the way you are. It's just not for me. You know, like you're perfect for like other girls. You get so many girls out there. Go out there and do you, but like not for me. Not today. You know, not today though.
Then it was nice meeting
It
you.
was likewise.
From today onwards, I'm happy that we know each other. If you meet me, just say hi, Moses. If I meet you, I say hi, thank you. Is it okay?
My name is not even Shinku, but okay. That's okay.
Okay, cool.
That's fine. Okay, that's fine.